you're a Rajnikant fan.
रजनीकांत इल्ले सुपरस्टार रजनीकांत. You also like?
Actually, मुझे movies पसंद नहीं. They put me to sleep.
Hi all, I am Mamta. How are you all? Hope you're all fine and hope that the climate is good there too. Okay, so recently I watched this movie on Netflix, Meenakshi Sundareshwar, and I decided to make this video. ಹಲೋ ಹಾಂ ಮೈಲು ಹಾಂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡು, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ ಬಾಯ್. Sorry guys. So what was I saying? Today I'm going to make this video. So what does Bollywood think about me, a South Indian? Don't you all think it's high time to stop stereotyping South Indians in Bollywood? Also, let me make it clear to all of you there for one last time. No, not everyone who comes from South India is a Madrasi. Along with it is the stereotype that all South Indians are oversmart and obsessed about scoring in exams. Trust me when I tell this, despite larger number of engineering and medical universities here, it won't take long for you to find a macha who cares a lot more about motorcycles and movies than any goddamn exams. But our Bollywood industry doesn't care much though, does it? Well, Bollywood is as much responsible for making all South Indians look like serious, oversmart people who speak English in a highly distinctive accent and eats only idlis, dosas and lots of rice. No. We are not what Bollywood shows us to the world. Over the years, South Indians have been shown in a certain stereotypical light that has absolutely nothing to do with the real life. So here we are to debunk the 5 most ridiculous stereotypes that Bollywood paints us in.
तो यू टेल मी, आपके दिमाग में पहली 5 चीज़ें क्या आती हैं जब आप सुनते हो ये शब्द साउथ इंडियन?
इडली सांबर,
Idli.
फूड,
सांबर
या इडली डोसा.
A South Indian only eats idli, dosa, vada, sambar and as a holiday treat, rice, rasam and payasam. So let me just tell you, South Indian culture in totality is the culture of the South Indian states of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala and Telangana. So just imagine the variety of scrumptious dishes that we have, which isn't just limited to idli or dosa. South Indians are fond of lungis. Well, Bollywood has always shown South Indian men wearing a lungi. A South Indian man always wears a lungi with a white horizontal tilak on his forehead. And South Indian women only wear heavy Kanjivaram sarees with lot of flowers or gajra on their heads. And of course, the white horizontal tilak is omnipresent on their forehead too. South Indians always eat on banana leaves. Well, that's not true, guys. We don't always eat on banana leaf. It is only during some significant functions like marriage or any other special occasion that people serve food on the banana leaf. Did you know that banana leaf contains a lot of polyphenols, a characteristic cancer-preventing agent that is found in a lot of plant-based foods? Well, a banana leaf additionally imparts a smell to the sustenance and improves the taste.
உன்னை காணாமல் கவதனி தானித பம கவரிகரிச உன்னை காணாமல் தென் நெஞ்சு தடுமாறு ఇలయలింగ
ధిం 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 నా
సరివర తూంగ తువాడు మను దినమున కాగయేంగు
రాధాదాన్ ఉనకెన రాధాదాన్ ఉనుకురు రాధాదాన్.
All South Indians are Bharatanatyam dancers. This is absolutely rubbish, guys. Not all people in South India have a button that enables them to break into a perfectly choreographed Bharatanatyam or Kuchipudi dance. South Indians are dark skinned. Seriously? Well, look at me. South Indian is always a Tamilian, and that too a Brahmin. Every South Indian utters words like Amma, Appa, Ayyo, Murugan, etc. at least once in a sentence. This isn't true, guys. In fact, Enna Raskala isn't even a phrase coined by a South Indian. Here is the most ridiculous stereotype. The Hindi film industry people think that people from South India always have a photo of Rajnikant along with the other deities in their in-house temple. Please don't believe such crap. If you think of a South Indian person in Bollywood films, he or she would definitely be given a long name. They are given names in the lines of Subramanian, Venkateshwara, Krishnaswamy, Iyer, Nagarjuna, Srinivasan, etc. Gagari gagari gari gama gari ri sari sari sari. Gagari gagari gama pani dani dani da pa magari maga. गूंजी सी है सारी फिजा जैसे भजती हो शहनाइयाँ. And there is one more. Riga riga sa 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 ri 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 riga riga sa 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 pa ma pa ga ma ga ri riga riga sa 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 ri sa pa ma ga ma ga ri sa 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 ni ni sa ni da ni pa da pa ma ga ma pa da ni sa ni da ni da pa ma ga ri riga riga sa 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 ni sa pa ma ga ma ga ri. लुक्का चुप्पी बहुत हुई सामने आ जाना. Okay guys, bye for now. Catch you next time with more interesting videos.